Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband was in desperate need of a new wallet. He's not a big fan of change, so he's been carrying around an old, crusty, busted wallet for 10 plus years. Time to upgrade, Patrick. And upgrade he did. We both love the beauty and practicality of this wallet from Artpaxy. This wallet is 10 out of 10 for us. He loves the soft brown material. We got this in coffee brown, but it comes in many colors and styles for you to choose from. I love that it has a built-in place for an AirTag. I love my husband, but he has left his wallet behind many times, and we've done the find your wallet or cancel the credit cards panic dance many times, and I'm just not in the mood to do that again. So I'm super thankful for that little detail. This wallet has 13 different card holders, 2 money pockets, a clear holder for a driver's license, and many little pockets and hidey holes to put important papers or keepsakes. It slides easily into the back pocket of all of his pants and jeans. It's made very well, and I know it will last us for many years to come, which is great news for a man that hates change. So if you're looking for a great gift idea for the man in your life, or maybe his wallet just needs a little pick-me-up, you have found it in this wallet. And that's my point of view.